How to get the link to a WhatsApp group. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to get the link to a WhatsApp group. But remember that to get the link to a WhatsApp group, you must make sure that you are the admin of that particular group. Otherwise, if you're the normal members which is added by other members and not the admin, then you won't be able to get the link to a WhatsApp group. Instead, you will only get the link which others have shared you on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will know how to do it by the end of the video. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device and then you need to open any particular group where you want to get the link of and then tap on the group name at the top of the screen. For the app info or the group info, you have to scroll down and then here you will see the option of invite via link. Just tap on it and then first of all you have to name the group. Tap on the save button and then here is the link at the top of the screen. You can easily send via WhatsApp or copy link and send to other applications or medias or share the link in this way. And here are different kinds of application and social media platform. Here you can easily share the link or you can also get the QR or resave the link if you wish to. So let's copy the link and after you copy the link you can simply paste it anywhere you'd like to. So let's open it and you can paste it here as well and send it to that user so that this user can easily get into the group via this link. So that's how we get the link to a WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.